So every day, millions of B2B transactions are happening across Latin America, but suppliers can even offer 30-day payment terms, and buyers are obligated to pay in cash. So deals don't happen, commerce stalls, and stops. And it all comes down to one thing: short-term credit for SMEs. Today, 85% of that demand is not being met, and not because SMEs are bad borrowers, because they are invisible to the system. We just needed to know where and how to look. We are Platam, the embedded credit infrastructure that plugs into B2B networks to finance transactions. With us, suppliers can now extend payment terms, and buyers can pay in terms. Here is how it works. We partnered with B2B anchors, distributor, buyers, ERPs, billing platforms, and embed directly into the workflow that unlocks thousands of pre-qualified SMEs instantly. Our AI agent scores case-wise B and approve them in real time using data from the anchor itself, with no branch visits, no paperwork, just a WhatsApp message. AI also handles underwriting, onboarding, and collection, so every new borrower we have is nearly zero marginal cost. That network becomes our origination engine, our collection leverage, and our underwriting signal. So with one integration, we unlock thousands of borrowers, and that's why we have deployed already $50 million. Colombia alone has 1,500 B2B anchors, and that's a 12 billion addressable portfolio. And across Latin America, we have a 300 billion opportunity. We have two structural advantages that separate us from any other player in this space. First, we are not lending our own money. There is actually more money available today than any point in history. 500 billions are actively looking for yield. So we plug it directly into these networks, funds get up to 30% in annual returns, they take the risk, and we take the spread. Second, while lenders are looking for borrowers one by one, we are embedded inside where the supply chains, when hundreds of thousands of transactions happen every day. So almost zero acquisition cost and better data credit than any other lender. That's why we have a record default rate of only 1%. We are truly the infrastructure the missing middle never had. Right now, we have $22 million in our portfolio in our rails. We have a net ARR of 900K and have been growing non-stop for 11 months, 20% CMGR. This is not projection, it is track record. And last quarter, we only burned 4K. March and April were profitable months, so we already know how to make money. We have proven the model. What comes next is to scale it. I'm Nicolas Villa, I'm CEO, I'm first-time founder. My last company was acquired by a British firm, and it was operating in 3 countries. Rodrigo Mariño, our COO, has a structure over $2 billion in transactions across Morgan Stanley, BBVA, and Scotiabank. Richard Stewart, our CTO, is also a co-founder. His first company, Coink, is a bank now with more than 200 active users.